Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Douglas Elliman Real Estate, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial information, including income, expenses, and existing debts. Calculate your total monthly income by adding up all sources of earnings. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs include rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, and insurance. Variable costs include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Track your spending over the past few months to identify patterns in your variable expenses. Once you have a clear overview, create a budget template to organize your finances. Decide on your financial goals, whether they are short-term savings, paying off debt, or saving for a home. Allocate a portion of your income to each category based on your goals. Ensure to prioritize necessities such as housing, food, and transportation in your budget. Review your savings goals and set aside an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Consider using budgeting tools or apps to streamline the process. Once your budget is established, monitor your spending regularly. Adjust your budget as needed to accommodate changing financial circumstances. At the end of each month, review your financial progress. Identify areas where you can save more or where adjustments are needed. Stay disciplined and committed to your budgeting plan. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process, so revisit your budget frequently to stay on track. By following these steps, you'll create a solid financial foundation with Douglas Elliman Real Estate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.